In this video, I'm going to show you how to find slope from looking at a line and a graph. So let's look at this line first. This line, as I go from left to right, is going up. Don't think of it as going down, because then it's going backwards. You have to start reading a line going in this direction. And when I read a line going in this direction, the first thing I hit is this. And what happens? The line goes up. All right, so that's going in a positive direction. Now I want to know what the slope is. All right, to find out what the slope is, I have to see where does the line go through all four marks. So it goes through there, it goes through here, it goes through here, 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 here. Do you see how it's not going through all 4 points here on this one or here? So you can't, if all you had was this kind of thing, you would not be able to tell what the slope is. The slope has to go through all 4 points. All right, so if I go from this point to this point, I say to myself, how far up do I go and how far over? It's called rise, over, run. Up and down, over, sideways, okay? Okay, look. This goes up 1, over 2. Let's do it again. Up 1, over 2. Up 1, over 2. Up 1, over 2. Up 1, over 2. The way we write this, the slope is up 1, over 2. That slope is 1/2. The slope is 1/2. And again, it's a pretty gentle slope. It's a fraction. It's less than 1. It's a gentle slope. All right, let's look at this next line. As I go from left to right across here, as I go from left to right, the first point that I hit is this, and the line is going down. It's called a negative slope, a negative line. All right, now I have to determine where the line goes through all 4 points. Well, I can start right off here. It goes through there, there, there. It keeps going. Look at this, all the way down. It's going through all those points. So I can choose any of these points and they'll all be the same. So first I have to do my up and down first. So I'm going down 1 to the right 1. Down 1, right 1. Down 1, over 1. Down 1, over 1. The slope for this line is I go down 1, that means -1, and then I go over 1. The slope is -1 over 1. To simplify that, all I say is -1. The slope is -1. Can you see, you might not be able to see, can you see how this line is more steep than this line? It's a steeper slope because the fraction, it's not a fraction, it's a whole number now. Or it's a number more than 1. So to read a slope from a graph, I have to find where the line goes through 4 points. And the first thing I say is either how far up, or in this case, how far down. So we do the up and down first, and then how far over. And that's the slope.